There's a few misconceptions that when this baby wakes up, I'm gonna need to talk to you about. Go ahead and save this video because you're definitely gonna wanna come back to it later. You don't buy the course to resell the course. You take the course so that you learn how to apply these skills to your online business. It's not like you just take the course to sell the course to other people. Of course, you can sell the course to other people, but if make money online is not your niche, don't worry about it. Just learn the skills needed to do your own online business. And the skills I'm talking about is how to set up your own website, how to get your own domain name, how to get your professional email address, how to do an email campaign, how to set up funnels so that when people give you their email addresses, that you can talk to them and communicate with them. Those are the skills that you're gonna learn in the course. Once you learn those skills, then you apply them to your online business or to any business. Help other businesses and become a consultant and help them with their online marketing strategies. Truly, the sky is the limit when you learn these online skills from the course that I'm talking about. You can apply it to your own business. You can apply it to other people's business, become a consultant and help local businesses around your area, local plumbers, local roofing companies. I mean, every single company needs an online presence, and you can be their expert by taking this course, learning these skills. You do not have to be on camera, and you do not have to sell this course. Your niche may not be make money online. Your niche may be beauty. Your niche may be roofing. Learn the skills that you need to maximize a business online with whatever that niche might be. So the course is just the way that you get there, the way that you learn what you need to learn so that you can maximize your own business. And you don't have to do a cotton picking thing on screen if you don't want to. So many ways that you can make money online without using your face, without using your own name. The sky is the limit. But the sooner that you get the course, the sooner that you learn these skills, the sooner you can apply them to whatever business you want to run. So you know where to get my information. Go and click the link, get the course, learn the skills. Don't be sorry.